Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, welcome to AIMS Online Education Center. Today we will discuss lecture on how to read a research article for literature review, right? So the most important part of literature review is articles, the number of articles you read for the literature review. Here I discuss you how to read an article. So let's begin. If you like our video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Here I have an articles, right? The title of article: Transformational Leadership, Creativity, Effects of Employee Psychological Empowerment and Intrinsic Motivation, right? Click on highlight text, open highlight text, and here you see a full proof article shape, right? You click on transformational leadership, select highlight the title of the article, right? Then authors, and these things you copy. And here the following information you can copy, Control C, and paste it on here. You can copy the required information and take an empty Excel sheet and paste it on these things. Arrange in an order so you can easily remember which point you got from which article. Okay, and here you can see based on this there is no need to select department, institute, faculty and any other thing relevant to author, and paste these things here you can see, and I arrange them so I can easily remember which thing I got from which article, right? And also one more thing I select for my, and I know in which year this is published, the date of publication. In 2017 the following article is published, so I write 2017 article. In such a way you have a full-fledged information of article, authors and title. And now how you scan the article. Scanning means which you have go through and discuss. The best part to scan the article is to read abstract. This is a simple article in which most easiest abstract, because they highlight all these things in bold or italic size, right? And here you can see the effect. What is the study purpose, its method and methodology, and what are the findings of this study, and how do we practically implement of the results, and original value. Those research article who have article is the most easiest way to read a scanned image of the article. There is no need to read whole article and select which thing is necessary and which is not. So the easiest way of to read an article is first focus on abstract, right? So here is you see abstract. I read an abstract and they said about the topic, purpose, and methodology they discuss in the survey research. So I highlight survey search and then they said random sampling technique they used, research design, which is random sampling technique, and individual population of this study is 503 individual. These three things are most important for my research. So which we have an idea how we compare our research with this research, right? And here is a result. The literature has positive, strong, significant positive relation between these variable. Also highlight those variable and another variable, and there between this select those. So here you can see. But if an article have no abstract, what you do? You simply read leadership introduction, right? Here the writer discuss about leadership definitions, then he jumps to transformational leadership. Here you can see they simply define the required variable in the first paragraph, and he also relate the following variables, how they can be mixed up and give us study results, right? And you can see, and here the objectives in the most important search. And before we go to objective, in the last line of the last paragraph you can say that discuss about the research gap or rationale of the studies. Here is the rationale of the study, right up. Here is the rationale of the study. That's why the writer considering the gap, research gap, he find out the what is the gap. So after reading this you can address your gap of the research, right? And then after you know the gap, the rationale of the study, then you put the objectives. Here is the two objectives of the studies, highlight as well. Give a modification of the your research topic, right? Then he completely move on the next variable and explain those. Then require the following research questions. They are the following research question in the literature. There is two of them he mentioned there. And then he moves the third variable, and in the third variable he just a brief introduction third variable between previous two variables, of literature review. Then he goes to then a three relationship, the relationship study of these researches, right? And theoretical framework and literature reference. Here he put the literature reference, means if he study 15 research articles, then he can give only concluding line and paste it here, and then rephrase a simply theoretical framework and literature reference. So he write an paragraph of transformational leadership in such a way. He write about transformational leadership and follower creativity. As you know, there is a second variable like he also put transformation, leadership, and organization innovation. Actually, in this sense, he gives a literature review of his research. If you do your research, then you can put a reference of this research, right? Then he goes on the hypothesis of research. Here is one hypothesis of research, highlight those, and literature progress on each of the research hypotheses, research questions, objective you in, highlight because you need them, and after that you copy and paste it on the empty worksheet, right? Here you can see, here we reached copy, and then you can see methodology start. Methodologies address chapter 3, but in the research it is deal with a part 3. First of all, in methodology we discuss various things like data collection, research design, population, sample size, instruments, administration of questionnaire, ethical consideration, stats used, stats applied. These are the following information. If in this section you got three basic research design of the study, as you say, here is the data collection in the city of Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Here is the research population, he also discuss in this, and measurement scale, or you can say that measurement scale questionnaire, and which you can say in your language, which is convenient for you. As you see, there is 5 scale use. First, MLQ, multi leadership factor, then intrinsic motivation, and not only name important, but their reference is also important, right? Which writer, which year, which version, and which is a Likert scale, as you say, 5-point Likert scale, and its validity, reliability value, Cronbach alpha value. Here you can see. Then it's in the same way, employee intrinsic motivation, and you can highlight this portion, psychological empowerment, and you can see these are the following information. You highlight this. After that, you a brief study of result, right? You can study if there is a relationship study, you can address the relationship, strong relationship, weak relationship, and hypothesis 1 accepted or rejected, hypothesis 2 is accepted or rejected. You can see there is a mediation exists between these is variable or not, right? And yeah, here you can see, yeah, this is there is the following tables. These tables are also important because these tables discuss the relationship of this study. As you see, there is a significant relationship exists, weak relationship exists between the following variables, and you address these, and after that you go to discussion section. But section is not important. In the last section, in conclusion, here is the complete information of the this research result, right? You can only address this thing, or if they, as you see, there is a 4 research hypothesis, then you study each hypothesis conclusion and highlight those, right? and you can go to theoretical contribution and practical implication, but the most three major thing you can study: purpose of the research design, research population, and the most important instrument, and fifth, result. These five things you can only read from your research article. Here is a research article. As you can see that we can learn how we discuss the research, how to read a research article for literature review. These things you can copy from an empty or new sheet of a Word file and paste it there with their name and topic name and year of publication. It's easy for your referencing or citation. So if you got any problem in this following lecture, you can comment down. And if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Give a thumb up. Hope you are soon. Meet you soon. Bye.